Hello everyone. This is the case of 16-year-old male child with acute appendicitis. So we have planned a laparoscopic appendicectomy for this patient. As you can see, the size of abdomen is small, so the access is being done with supraumbilical port. Whenever the size of abdomen is small or the size of abdomen is large, the area is large or the area is small, so we have to manipulate the ports according to the needs. So now we can see varus needle is introduced and pneumoperitoneum is created. Now supraumbilical port is introduced. You can see the access is done through supraumbilical region. Now ipsilateral working ports or secondary ports is being placed. We can see one 10 mm port will be placed near left iliac fossa. Now one more port, that is 5 mm port, will be introduced near left lumbar region. So, in case of acute appendicitis, this port positioning can be adopted in children or when the size of abdomen is small. Now, this is another male patient of 45 years old with acute appendicitis. Here, the access was planned through superior crease of umbilicus. Now we can see the varus needle is being introduced. Suction irrigation test and hanging drop test is done to confirm that the varus needle is inside the abdomen. Now pneumoperitoneum is created. Now we can see 10 mm port was introduced and abdomen access done. Now working port or secondary port was introduced according to baseball diamond concept. One 10 mm port at hypogastric region. Another 5 mm port at right lumbar or near right lumbar region. This is called contralateral port positioning. First case was ipsilateral port positioning and this case is contralateral port positioning. Thank you.